Stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Alrighty gang, what's poppin'? Welcome back. $150 pips up. What are we talking about? Alright, let's get everyone in the building. Let's get this day off to a banger. JVP, JPY. 500. Yeah, 500 would be very nice to buy above. Ooh. look at this level. Good morning, Sumita. What's good? What's poppin'? This also would have been a good buy. Beautiful, beautiful. Absolutely loving the trades you guys are taking. Alright, what's good? How to join Queen Dalen. That's our monthly membership squad. Monthly membership squad. We trade Asian trade ideas are posted for every single session out there. Mario, what's good, mate? Hello, Samita Surya, what's good? I'm done for the week past phase 1 and 2. Whoa! Antonio Parker, what are we talking about? Antonio Parker with the phase 1 and 2. Let's go, Antonio Parker. Beautiful. Let's go. Well deserved, well deserved. It's 12 p.m. Yo, I closed my windows today, Sumita. So we don't have like too much of sun coming in, you know. I closed the curtains and stuff. So, yeah. Super strong, Antonio Parker. Let's go, lad. What's in? Good morning, Rajiv. I'm about to check your chart. Amazing, beautiful trade. Just take a look at this, guys. Beautiful trade. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. Fantastic, Rajiv. Keep it up. Laying it out there. Ross Effects, good morning. Tracy, good morning, Tracy Smith. Welcome to the stream. There's 18 of us. As you can see, this is our analysis on GJ. There's really not too much happening at the moment, but let's see. 3-hour candle closed in below this level. Very interesting situation we're on. Hey, morning, what's good? As you guys are coming in, say what's up, lads. Say what's popping in the chats, and we can keep going. Today is the last day of the week, so let's have a bang on London session. Alright, what shall we look for? GJ slow morning, Euro JPY slow morning. What we can do for Euro JPY is look for a buy above this level to retest those highs. So to time frame. Alright, you see that 442 hour time frame. Gold, man. What a call this was. Every morning we smash it up. $150 pips. As soon as London market open, gold starts dropping. Who knows? Antonio Parker, which what account size did you do? Hey bro, good morning. 2 weeks office work, can't even open charts. What's the bias on GJ? So right now the bias on GJ is range. We're gonna wait to see whether we start breaking above the range or not. So we're just gonna wait for it. No problem, Vineet. Come on. Just work hard, grind hard, and soon you will be stress-free trading. Soon. I believe so. Antonio Parker, 10k. Beautiful. Beautiful, Antonio Parker. You've passed the first psychological barrier. Let's go. That's what we're talking about. That's what we want over here in this channel. I'm so proud of you guys, honestly. GBP JPY is ranging. We're just gonna wait for the 4 hour to do something. EJ, see this 2 hour level is pretty strong, so that's why I'm looking at it. For some reason I feel like EJ is gonna play better than GJ only because of how clean this is. Hey Christy, what's up? How's it going? Sticking with 1 or 2 pairs and don't over leverage, it will work. Beautiful. Antonio Parker, that is amazing. Guys in the chat, whoever's looking to do challenges, etc, right? Look at that. That's coming from a successful trader, alright, who's passed 2 evaluations. He's made at least 15% or 13% easily. So Antonio Parker, super proud of you, man. Let's go. Ross effects. Yeah, man. We try to keep it instant, eh? Right here. Because my settings, my stream settings is ultra low latency, so that's why you'll get a nice quick response time on the stream. Okay, 2 hour candle on EJ closing. Come on EJ, let's move up. Let's get some bangers in today. If we close up there, can we move up 20 pips? Okay. At least a 45-minute closure above. Let's see. 470. That would be nice, right? Yeah, 45-minute time frame. So we're just gonna put this in. 45-minute. Honestly, Antonio Parker, don't get us wrong. We are so freaking proud of you. You're making us all proud. Keep killing it. Anyone else who's slayed any evaluations, anything? Rara, let's go, boy. Beautiful stuff. Up 2%. Let's go. First week trading at 10k. My Forex funds account. Rara, we wish you nothing but the best, man. You're up 2%, 6% coming up next week. Let's go, lad. Let's go, lad. Let's go. Cam Junde, morning, bro. I hope you are well. Thank you for your stream. Yo, no problem, man. Don't mention it. Just a quick question. Do you trade off Windows or Mac? Windows is what I trade off. Would you suggest any Windows computers? So, Cam, would you like a laptop or a PC? Which one are you looking for? Are you looking for like a PC like what I got over here, or you're looking for a laptop? That would be the question. After that, I can suggest some stuff. Okay, gold is closing really well. All right, Rara. Yeah. Thanks again, DC Trading. Believe me, it's been a lot of nights when it was endless until I started seeing where I was going wrong at. Beautiful, Antonio Parker. That's exactly. It's not that you see money; it's that you see where you need to correct things. That's what trading is about. Beautifully put. Well put, Antonio Parker. Let's go. Endless. Yeah, a lot of nights. Exactly. You're putting in the grind after hours. You know, you're doing whatever you have to do. That is the beautiful thing about trading. Ross effects, you know what is funny? I am looking for shorting gold, but you are going to buy it. No, I'm not going to buy it. My buys were over here, Ross effects. Down over here. But it does look like if I get a good enough rejection, I don't mind taking a buy on gold. Let's just see. Okay, capture the PC. Alright, we should take a look at it. What's up, JJ? Welcome to the stream. What's poppin'? Let's go. Guys, if anyone wants to join us today on Discord, feel free to join us on Discord. Link is in description in the chat. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, you can follow me on Instagram. I think gold still by 1918. Gary Singh. Yeah, it's potential. Like I said, this is potential. We've broken above previous highs. Alright, so I will need this 1 hour to close, wick down, and then start breaking up. But again, you run straight into this rejection area. So let's look at the higher time frames. This was definitely the move right over here. And who called it out? Who called that out? Look, can you see this? I wish you could see the timestamps of when I made this alert, you know? When I made this alert. That would be so lit, because that was like early hours of Asian session, so yeah. Where's the OGs? Guys, if you all have been there from the start, don't forget to give a thumbs up, or at least let me know you're here. Right? If you let me know you're here, that'll be awesome. Because remember, we started the community with, these are the OGs of OGs who were there right from the beginning. Where is that? DC community. You remember these guys? Amazing guys, each one of them. You see JJ right at the top over there. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Super excited seeing this family grow. Yo, thank you so much, man. Joseph, thank you so much. That's fantastic. The positivity is immense. Let's go, chat. Alright, Euro JPY breaking above. Remember, we're looking at it on the 45-minute time frame. No 45-minute bottom wick. 2-hour time frame, closing in 15 minutes. So we're just going to hold it on this time frame. Do you call your trades, I mean, on Discord or Telegram? Yes, Ross, right over here. All right, we have our banger chat, banger ideas. You see all the trades called way before time. Yesterday's trades called, the sells, you know, everything called before time. And many times I call it in personal chat also. Here you go, you see everything called out beforehand. So yeah, everything called before time, and I send it in personal chat also, so you can see. 1 second. Right over here. This is when I call it out, like when I stretch it out in agent session and I call my trades out. So yeah, you can see some of the guys with just taking what I call out, 20 pips. There you go. GJ, he was up 32 pips right over here. Watson is definitely one of the most amazing members I have. He learns so fast and he applies it absolutely amazingly. So definitely. Hey man, how's it going? Hi bro. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna try to pronounce your name because I don't wanna kill it, man. My pronunciation will be so bad. So GBP, JPY, dead. Gold closing up here. Gold was a nice little buy from down here actually, you know. I think yesterday, if I'm not mistaken, Controller FX was in a sell, right? Over here. If I'm not mistaken, he was in a sell from over here, so yeah. But yeah, anyway. Gold with a big rejection from the downside. We're trying to push it up. That would be nice if it can continue, but yeah. JPY bank holiday, so we can just take it here. Yeah, JJ, that was sad, but yeah, like I said, he does take a lot of good trades, to be honest. Not to, you know, not to throw shade at anyone, because we got to accept good traders for what they are, right? So he is a good trader and many people have benefited from him. Each one's learning curve is different, and that's what we need to accept, right? That some people will enjoy Controller FX because of the way he teaches. Other people will enjoy Raja Banks because of the way he teaches. Some people enjoy ICT because of the way he teaches. Each one actually, you know, learning a different way, a different pattern and stuff like that. So it's important that we all respect each other's learning curves and learning abilities. Gold push to 1917, very much possible. So Vinith, so what we need on gold now since we've come there, right, we need for gold to close above into the next range. You see that? So we need gold to close into this range, so then we can do this, right? Respect this support right from here and continue up. All right, exactly, Antonio Parker. It's different perceptions, guys. Come on, we all know how to drive cars. Some of us drive differently, right, than the rest. So respect, we need to put respect in the community. Life is literally not a competition, right? You do well for you. You don't do well for others. If you want to do well, you do it for yourself. So let's put some respect in the place again. Queen Dalen. Alright, so let me show you what the banger squad is. The banger squad is our monthly access. So you can see here It's a $25 monthly access live trades called out in all 3 sessions. We have access to the community, live access to live trading sessions, you know, all the sessions, access to all webinars. The main thing I focus on, this is the main thing I'm focusing on, one-on-one mentorship. I spend a lot of time on one-on-one mentorships in the day, you know. And so then we have weekly backtesting, market breakdowns, analysis for every session on GJ and EJ and stuff like that. So yeah. Shob R, welcome. Humans have a problem respecting human beings' difference. That's the problem, Tracy. You know, that's the problem I face in this community. That we're not able to accept each other's differences, you know. We are the ones who are supposed to help the differently able, right? We are the ones who are supposed to help people, but instead we choose to pick on it, and that's very sad. And for me at least, from my channel, we don't preach that message to put down other people. GJ is the only upcoming setup. Let's hope it works. Yeah, GJ definitely looks like it could come up, but I definitely feel like EJ is also incoming. 45-minute time frame, nice little banger closure, and we should get a banger trade. There you go. So that 2 hours it closes in 5 minutes. Gold, we're still waiting to see that. GJ, let's check the other time frames. 45 minutes, little sticky. 1 hour, 2 hour. 2 hour is closing above this level, so GJ looks interesting. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. So when this 2 hour closes, you can wait for the wick down and then take it on the wick up, right, to retest these highs. So we can give it one chance. After breaking above all these highs, we can give it a chance. Let's see how we can give it a chance, especially since the 1 hour is closing like this. GJ setup might just come into play. Alright, let's just wait. I'm paper trade on GJ buys. Yep. Yeah, definitely. Beautiful. EJ also 45-minute closure. Looks amazing. Let's get that London volume. Come on, guys. If you haven't liked the stream already, let's like it. Come on, 40 of us in the house. Let's push those likes up. If you want to talk to me, feel free to join me on Discord. We're a growing community. We're an absolutely growing, one of the fastest Forex communities over here is what I would say. We're growing at a rapid speed. I think a month back we were at 200 subscribers and now we're at 980. Can we reach 1,000 today? Can we reach 1,000 today is the question. Come on guys, can we reach 1,000 today? What are we talking about? Drop likes and subs, guys. Come on. Alright, 45-minute time frame on Euro JPY. Retraced the entire way. GJ is trying to close up there, but GJ looks like it's coming down. It's way safer to buy GJ above this level. So let's just wait. We're gonna wait for 163,500. We're gonna paper trade the 2-hour time frame if it closes nice and strong above these levels. Alright, that'll be our paper trade for the day. Alright, every day we are learning and adapting. We have to decide to take GJ or EJ. Yeah, we have to decide. But right now with this rejections, Ross, I don't think we're gonna get GJ or EJ, which is funny. But Ross, you seem like a fun guy, man. Join me up on Discord whenever you're free or whatever. I think you're a friend of Harry's, right? Harry Mackin, if I'm not mistaken. I heard Harry say your name once or twice, so yeah. GJ and EJ both pushing down now. I joined already, bro. Awesome. No, you meaning like you can talk to us. You can talk to us, yo, Ross. Alright, no problem. Alright, guys, the 36 of us. Put down where y'all are right now. Alright, put down where are y'all from. Like, put down your country. Tell me what time it is and what trade are you looking at. One pair. Put down one pair which y'all are looking at. Alright, so Tracy, you're lucky. Bahamas. Tracy's putting in that grind, yo. Let's go, Tracy. UK, Euro, USD. Alright, we can take a look at Euro, USD. What is it? It's almost 12:30 for me. 12:28. I'm looking at GJ and EJ. GJ above in 45 minutes in good buys. Alright. Alright, I see you. Euro JPY tanking. What are we talking about? We're back in this range. So this would actually be a sell candle. Look at the rejection from the top. So we can actually look for EJ sells. Ooh, kind of choppy. Okay, this looks like a pretty good sell. We're just gonna have to identify where we can pick those sells once the 45-minute closes below this level, I guess. Yeah. Beautiful, UJ. Alright, let's go, lads. Beautiful. I'm gonna check some stuff. Some of the charts. You'll want GBP USD and gold. Alright, let's check the gold standard. What's going on gold? Gold looks like it's trying to push up. It's struggling. Can you see this? It's formed a resistance right over here and it's struggling. Let's see what happens on gold. But I mean, if we have a nice candle closing down back into the range, it'll be nice on gold. Let's check Euro USD. Alright, is that London volume kicking in? Euro USD. Euro USD, okay. What you looking for on Euro USD? Let me know what you're looking for on Euro USD, right? Seriously. How how can I migrate to the Bahamas? That is so lucky in the Caribbean. Let's see, citizenship. Do they offer citizenship? Kenyas. Dang, okay. Yo, Tracy, we need the hookup, yo. Guys, if you aren't subbed already, please do subscribe. Today we really wanna hit that 1000 sub mark. GJ, is GJ coming in once we break these highs? Let's check GBP USD. GBP USD is moving, eh? Look at that, beautiful. $40 pips. So GBP USD, the move is kind of done, so you gotta wait for some time to see some movement on it. Thank you for the sub, Emmanuel. Thank you for the sub. Are you from Mumbai? No, I'm from Karnataka, Bangalore. It's not hard, eh? Alright, I see you. Sam, Bankman Fried moved to Bahamas. Who's Bankman Fried? I have no clue who that is. Oh, Sam Bankman Fried. Owner of FTFX, a cryptocurrency. FTX. A Bahamian cryptocurrency exchange. Damn. Interesting. Alright. Will Euro JPY give us those sells now once we break the previous 2-hour lows? This is the daily low and the previous 4-hourly low. So could we get a good sell once we break those is the question. Or we can wait for a 45-minute candle closure. Let's wait for a 45-minute candle closure below this level. This could leave us for sure, like I said, the 45 2-hour level. But today it's a JPY bank holiday, so yeah. I thought you can't trade in India. No, you can trade in India. There's no problem. You just shouldn't exchange your money in the Forex way. Alright? So trading profits should be brought in through cryptocurrency. It shouldn't be brought in as stuff. So yeah. I shorted EJ at 15-minute flip. Beautiful. No clue, mate. No, I'm not a trader because I don't know Sam Bankman Fried. Sam Bankman Fried. He's a crypto trader who made 7 billion in 4 years. Damn. GG's. Insane. So those who probably took a trade at the 4-hour break of the lows and all, be careful. Anyone who's taking these trades should be very cautious. Exactly. That's why even I'm staying away from it. Others are called out to sell. I want to see a candle closure maybe. We need to see a good candle closure. Alright. So be careful, lads. This can continue definitely, but you want to be cautious. For me, I'm gonna wait for like a 45-minute closure of some sort. Yeah, there are too many wicks to the left. The 2-hour looks good. 4-hour actually looks good. The 4-hour looks very good, okay, with this big rejection from the upside. It's just that, do we actually have enough volume to continue down would be the question. Right? So yeah, so let's wait for it. What is this, a Q&A session now? It's turning into a Q&A. Those of you on YouTube who want to join us on Discord, link in description. So let's just wait for this. I see clean traffic on the 45-minute time frame, so I'm gonna wait for the 45-minute time frame. GBP, JPY. Yeah, GJ, it's a little messy, so I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna hold off on GJ for some time. Gold, I'm gonna wait for a break above back into 1914 before I start taking any more trades. At least any more buys. 1914 is my level to re-enter buys. Yeah, it's not looking too like powerful enough to just continue moving, right? So yeah. Just chill today. Alright guys, if you aren't subbed already, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button. Let's get this stream moving. There you go, you see EJ, we're just ranging right now. So now you need to ask yourself the question, okay? Is it worth taking an impulse entry after seeing price range for 9 hours and 45 minutes? Is it worth taking an entry after seeing price range for 9 hours and 45 minutes? Right? It's pointless. Yeah, it's the last Friday of the month too. It's 29th, right? So take it easy, guys. Don't risk your profits. Eat properly. Just have fun now. Don't need to stress. We've taken insane trades this week. Yup. Just enjoy some good vibes, some chill music. Let's just pump the music up a little bit. Just vibe. It's the end of a intense month. Come on, can we end the month with 1,000 subs? What do you say? Can we end April with 1,000 subs today? What do you guys think? Can we do it? There's 41 concurrent views, but there's only 20 likes, so I'm not sure if you'll want to hit 1,000 subs or not. What do y'all think? GBP USD continuation once we break this? I don't see the volume, to be honest, but yeah. Let's just use this volume indicator. Awesome. So you can see where we're ranging just in this zone, this volume. So right. So we need to break the safer sells. The safer buys are up here above this level, just where I mark. You see, we can just zoom through this region and then we come into these dark areas. Up here, this is the dangerous part. 139 flat. You see that? 139 flat up here. UJ is good. Look, let's take a look at it. Oh, UJ actually looks a little interesting, not gonna lie. Let's just look at that. 45-minute time. Oh, a 45-minute closure below this range is gonna make it drop. But there is the 1 hour closure right over there, which looks pretty decent. Guys, come on, 11 more subs to 1,000. What are we? Let's go. Let's get those subs. What are we talked about? Alright. Can we make a move? Can we make a move? The 45-minute candle almost flipped up. So this is getting very interesting. When does the 3 hour end? In 1 hour 45 minutes? Okay. "45-minute candle, we have to wait for a closure above." We have 307 members on our Discord server, which is absolutely phenomenal. That is amazing. I love it when the community is working hard together. You know, I love it when the community is growing together to work hard together. So yeah. Let's go, guys. Come on, guys. Can we push the likes up to 36 likes and 36 viewers and 36 likes. Let's go. Meg G, what's good, lad?
Hey, good morning, good morning.
How are you doing?
Oh, not too bad. Got the kids off to school and working at Forex.
That's nice, that's nice. Any trades today?
No, I woke up about an hour and a half ago, so it's just been getting things done.
That's nice. What do you think could be a potential trade today?
I've been looking at GHA really. Possibly sells around what am I looking at here? 162,300 below there somewhere.
Okay, 162,300. Yep, that makes sense. Yeah, for me, I'm looking at 162,500. But yeah, that makes sense. Around that area, right? That 1 hour support level. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm looking on the 30-minute here. I don't like there's two consolidations to the left there. I don't really like those, so I'm looking a little lower than 500. And
All
then
right.
eventual buys above 163, 400 possibly.
All right. For right now, I'm looking at Euro JPY actually. If you go to the 45-minute time frame, I'm looking for buys above 137,470. And so if you're looking at my screen, you would see what I mean. So yeah, I'm looking for this break of the 2-hour range and the hourly range. So yeah,
Okay, yeah.
let's see if we're able to get anything out of that. If it doesn't, because like right now the 45-minute is going to close with a banger rejection from the downside and a nice bullish candle up there. So let's see if we can get a nice move on that.
Yeah, that would be a nice move.
Yeah, but the thing is, I'm really not seeing volume today, so it's a little sketch trade. So I may lower down my lot size by half and take it.
Yeah, 11 minutes to close there on the 45.
Yeah, and we will only take it after candle closure because of we can see right for 9 hours and 45 minutes we haven't been able to close below or above. So that's why we're just gonna only wait for closures and then probably ride it up. And if we're just riding it to resistance, that's around 30 pips away. So yeah, that looks good. As of today, price hasn't moved past this range. All right, can we get a nice little banger?
Hey, Alpha.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts on those long wicks up on the move down on the 45 minute there?
On EJ to the left?
Yeah.
Alright, so you're talking about the long ones beyond 700, right? 137, 700?
Yes.
Alright, so that would be a caution level, but by the time we reach that level, we should already be up about 20 pips. So for me, like usually when I see big wicks to the left, right, and we're creating this nice bullish market structure, we usually should run right through those. And so when we look at the 4-hour time frame, I would say I would hold this trade. So let's say the 45 minute were to close above and I took a buy or whatever, right? I would first close my first partials at 10 pips, right? I'd leave stops to break even and wait to see how the 4-hour candle is going to close, whether it's going to close above 700 or not. So if the 4-hour candle doesn't close above 700, then we all know what's going to happen on Euro JPY. And so right now what we have to be careful is when you look at the previous 4-hour candle, you see how bearish it was with the rejection. So that's why
that was
sorry, yeah.
No, sorry, yeah, that's a nice rejection there.
Yeah, so that's why even if I do take this trade on the 45 minute time frame, so let's just say the 45 minute closes this way. 1 minute, let's just use. Alright, it closes like this with a candle wick or whatever. Okay, I'd still wait for the next candle to come drive down, and then I'll only take it at the break of the previous candle wick. You see, I need that candle structure, so my entry will only be once we break this candle wick over here.
How far of a wick down would you be looking for there?
So I wouldn't be able to tell you like in pips wise, but like I would like to see a bottom wick, like so. As soon as the candle opens, all right. Let's just say, so as soon as the next candle opens, I would expect it to drive down, right? And I'll immediately just add a buy stop right over there at that flip zone.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, and so once price is down here, I'm expecting it to come up only with volume to continue pushing.
Yeah. And what would you what would your
Alpha.
strategy be?
Sorry, Megji?
Oh no, I think Eli was saying something. Or
So-
Ellie pal.
Ellie pal?
Hey, look on your inbox, bro. I just sent you a screenshot. That's Euro JPY, bro. That orange where it's consolidating underneath, that's a major support level, a major level right there. It's an
Yeah.
indicator.
All right.
So if you're trying to go up with it, do not wait till at least breaks and retest that area.
All right. That's true. So sorry, Megji, you were saying?
Yeah, I was thinking, what would your strategy be if it does a small push up before it creates the bottom wick? Would it still be on the break of the high?
No, so that's when it'll change. So like, let's just say it does the small push up and then it comes back down, right? So
Yep.
it would have created some sort of wick like this, right? So that time I will take it only on the break of a previous candle's, like a major high. Okay, so I would go up to the 1 hour time frame or the 2 hour time frame and see, okay, so this is the 2 hour time frame major high, right? I will take the trade only once we start breaking this high, because at that point we're just expecting volume to just come and flush it out at that point.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah. And Elipal, yep, that's definitely true. So this is our major 2 hour zone. So if you look at this, right, you can see how crucial this 2 hour zone is. We're going back and you can just see how crucial this 2 hour zone is.
That indicator I showed you, it shows me where major levels are at.
Yeah. So right over here when we look at it, there you go. You see price has tapped into it once, twice, thrice, and now the 4th time. So we need a good nice break and continuation. And just remember, look at this level. So that's a very short term trade. Yep, the volume is definitely the only issue we're struggling with right now. So actually, Megji, what I would say is a nice 4 hour closure below 150, 137, 150, and we are just falling. We'll drop on EJ super hard is my prediction. But we need that 4 hour closure.
Let's hope that plays out.
Yeah, that's all we can do at the moment. But I think, since it's the end of the month, it's profit taking time, a lot of the major investors and everything, they're all looking to take profits, So I think that way we can just relax and wait and watch how things play out. So since we're seeing low volume and stuff like that, we can paper trade this and then we can see if it works, and next time we can take it. All right. So that works better. You don't need to lose money over this trade.
True.
So, Alipal,
What's up, bro?
when did you start trading, mate?
I've been in it about 14 months. I lost everything I entered. But I gained a lot of knowledge every time I took a loss, so.
Yep. And now you're all set and ready to go?
I believe I'm ready, but I always try to buy a Lambo within a week. And it messes me up. But I mean, I'm pretty skilled at it. I know what I'm looking at and what I'm going for and stuff.
Yeah.
That's why I've been trying to learn your scalping, bro, because I'm a swing trader.
All right.
I've been using these magic keys to scalp highs with, bro. It's been pretty good.
Mm, that's nice. For me, I'm not much of a swing trader, but most of the trades we called, if we held it for swings, they would be such bangers. But yeah, what about you, McG? How long have you been trading for?
Well, I've been trading for a while, at least since 2016.
Wow.
Mainly on and off. But yeah, I've been both in Forex and stocks. So, but I'm trying. I mean, I haven't done poorly. I've always walked away with a win. Like at the end of the total amount when I decided to take a break. But I'm hoping to now become more consistent, getting weekly in the green, daily, and then hopefully make a transition from my current job to trading full time.
That sounds good. That's McG, what's crazy is we both started right around the same time. I also started in 2016.
Okay.
Yeah, and yeah, definitely. I think big things coming your way as long as you're able to see yourself consistent, So yeah.
Yeah. It's basically sticking to it. Not getting demotivated.
Yep.
even with losses from time to time, and yep.
Definitely. I think once you desensitize yourself to those losses, you tend to become a lot better than that. So no problem. Okay, let's see paper trading today.
See, I don't lose all my trades. I just can't stop trading. That's where I lose it.
Yeah, that's over trading is a massive problem. Yeah.
I can get profits on the table. I pulled 7-8 bands in a trade off.
Yeah.
It's just trying to stop, hit the break.
Alright, so now this 45-minute has closed right up nicely above. So now it would pretty much be this high, right? So now you're holding small stops. You're gonna move to break even if we break this high. You see that? So what you could do is either wait for a bigger lower wick, right? You wait for a bigger lower wick, or you could just be in here with extremely small stops willing to risk this trade. You get what I mean?
Yep.
So it's extremely small. Yeah.
That's one of the things I've been struggling with is finding the right stop loss amount. So it's either too short and I get stopped out too soon.
That's true.
Or it's too big and the loss is too big.
So now you're just expecting price to reach this high. As soon as it reaches that high, you're at break even. You know why? Because you see at this point price has rejected it, right? Steeply.
Yeah.
So now you would be up like 4 or 5 pips. Alright. So right over here you see Euro JPY pushing up. So at this point actually I would just bring my stops to break even anyway, right? Because it's pushed up to this resistance that we have over here. And there's no need for me to leave any risk on the table. There you go. It's anyway crossed that point. So let's see if it can hit our 10 pip target.
Hey, GJ just broke out consolidation, bro.
Oh, GJ finally moving. So we can expect a 30-minute closure above that level.
GJ's probably your best bet. I wouldn't enter EJ. I enter GJ.
There you go. EJ smashes our 10 pip target. Alright, so there you go. A massive dub for the learning curve on our stream, right? A big dub for the learning curve. Because right now when we look at GJ, you see it's no bottom wick at all. So that looks a little sketch for me at least. But
GJ, I take it up to the top, bro. The 1 hour top.
For me, I take GJ now if this 30-minute were to close above this level. But yeah, let's see if we close above it and then we can take. But you see, MacG, EJ explain.
Yeah, I saw it.
Yeah, and you saw how it played out also. So why would you take it on the break of the 45-minute high? Because you're expecting this candlestick structure to continue.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, guys, we got a new channel on our chat, webcamschat.xyz, hot girls and boys video chat. Make sure to check them out, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for passing by. W in the chat for webcamschat.xyz.
Bro, you got a loan I can get so I can go visit the website?
This guy needs to.
Really?
I don't have the money for it, bro.
Seriously.
I'd rather stop trading for 5 minutes before London opens.
Yeah. Anyone in anyone feeling lonely? Webcamschat.xyz. He seems to be pretty free. He's going around people's streams, so. But yeah, guys, 50 of us in this YouTube stream. Smash the like button. Come on, let's move those likes up. Let's move it to a nice little 1-to-1. If you aren't subbed already, please do sub. So you see that, MacG, you see how that played out? Straight into the 15-minute resistance. So whether this continues 1,000 or 100 pips, not a problem. I knew that once this 45-minute time frame starts breaking up, right, that we have a potential to continue. So I'm just taking that quick 1%, right? I take that quick 10 pips and I leave just like, usually I just leave like 30% on the table to just run to some stupidly unreasonable level that it price usually never runs to. So that's what I normally do. But that 1%, I need to claim that 1% for my day. So there you go. W for the paper chat, for the paper trade, my bad. So W for the paper trade, we smashed out that 10 pips easy. Gold. Will gold continue?
Gold's coming up to a major level, bro. 1915 is a major level.
Yeah.
It's probably gonna pull back and bounce off structure it just broke off the 4 hour.
That is correct, Samita. Look at GJ coming back down. You see GJ coming back down. Huge rejection on GJ. 13 pip rejection. Once it flips, there's no telling how big of a bottom wick. So the thing, MacG, is when we see these big candle wicks, right? And the candle then flips with no bottom wick already created, that leaves price completely up to GJ to choose how big of a bottom wick or how big of a bearish candle body it wants to create. So that's why, like, I wouldn't be in that GJ buy at all.
Also, the previous candle there looks like it doesn't have a wick either, or not much of a wick.
Yeah, barely a wick, but yeah, or at least if the 1 hour candle were to close above this level, we can possibly look at it. Let's see, what is this? 50.
Yeah, that 1 hour candle might look nice. There's lots of clean traffic going up.
Yeah. That looks
Probably
good better.
It looks really nice. I'm gonna monitor that one.
Yeah, I think now we can all keep our eyes peeled on GJ.
Hopefully we'll get some more volume than what's it's not too bad on the 1 hour.
Wait for the next candle to open, put a buy stop at the previous high.
Yep.
And put your stop loss below the bottom wick.
Plain and simple.
Is that how you scalp?
Yep. So now if the 1 hour comes up and closes like that, right? And it has a nice candle wick like that, right? So what I'm gonna wait for is to see if price opens and immediately goes down, right? If price immediately goes down, then I will put a buy stop at the flip. But if
you do the bodies or the ties,
pardon?
The top of the wick or the body of the candles.
That's it. So if it immediately goes down with no top wick, then I will put a buy stop at the flip. But if it creates a small top wick, then I would have to put I would put the buy stop at the high, previous high. You get what I'm saying?
So if it opens up and it drops straight down with all body.
Yeah. Then buy stop will be at the candle flip bullish.
But if there's a wick, you put it at the top of the wick.
Yeah, because then I want to see candlestick structure play out bullish. So I want to see the next 1 hour candle continue bullish, breaking the previous high.
Where do you find your TP at?
My TP will be at the top over here. So first TP, of course, on our standard 10 pips, because that's my 1%. And the final TP will be up here at 60 pips at the top of this 1 hour range. Because we are looking to fill in this clean traffic, right? This clean move up. This clean move up, right? So we want to fill this volume area in.
So when you're scalping off the 30 and the 15, what chart do you use, the 4 hour, to see where your price is?
So even when I'm scalping on the 15 and 30, I've come down the time frames, seeing which one has more potential. Right, so now as we look at the 4 hour has broken 1, 2, 3, the last 12 hours of top wicks. So yeah.
So you use your 4 hour as your TP?
So I will use this 4 hour resistance right up here at the 200 level as my take profit, because now I'm looking for this 4 hour to break this consolidation, right? We want to break this consolidation in order to come and react to this next resistance, right? So it's your basic understanding of, like, if we had levels over here, right, and we came down to these levels and we started consolidating, right, we'd first expect to break this level to reach this level up here, and then if we do break this level, we'd expect to reach this level up here, right? So yeah, you're moving up, so from one point of interest where buyers and sellers enter the market to another point of interest where buyers and sellers the market. Is making 5% of your account per week good enough? JJ, of course it's good enough, man. If you're making 1% per week, that's amazing. Because I'll tell you what's crazy, there are people who are landing their weeks in negative, right? If you're not part of those negative traders, then it's fine, as long as you're landing yourself in profits for the week. So Alipai, was that all right?
A little bit. I might need to link up with you this weekend.
All right, for sure. I'll tell you what, this weekend is actually a little tight for me. Let's see, Sunday evening, maybe my time, we can try and see how we can do a little community webinar.
What's your time?
Right now it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So we can probably do it like New York session on Sunday. Of course, I'm not saying the New York markets are open, lads. I'm talking about the time.
I mean, that's fine, because I'll be trading on Sundays anyway. I find some good moves on Sundays opener.
Alright, sounds good. Please explain Wick's importance. Alright, Vinod. So let's look at Wick importance, right? So when we look for candle wicks, right over here, you notice, can you see how massive this wick is with the rejection? That wick is literally the same size as some of these candles and even bigger than some of these candles, right? Just looking at UJ plainly, right? Can you see a massive rejection wick? So what does a wick show you? That price moved through that area but wasn't able to close in that area, right? So through that entire area, price wasn't able to close. So that's what shows a rejection. And so that's why you see the next candle directly bullish, next candle after that bullish, rejection from the top, bearish. So that's why it's so important to look at candle wicks, because many times you can notice, so like right over here we see this big candle wick, but look at this rejection from the downside with a bullish candle body closure. You see that? So that's the important factor. So wicks are very important. So in terms of these small wicks, if a candle comes and closes above here, right, with a nice little wick, let's say, if a candle comes and closes above here with a wick like this, you can wait for these to enter at the break of these wicks. Why? Because what price shows you in this region is price could never go above this level, right? Price has only been able to come here and stop. So if you're able to take a trade beyond these wicks, right, when it breaks this wicks, that means price has now denied this resistance and rejection level. You got what I mean? It's broken through it and it's continuing. So that's why it's very important to look at wicks and understand and formulate in your head what the wick is going to do and like what the wick symbolizes in that certain area. Yo, Ruan, good morning, my man. How's it going?
Good itself.
Man, it's been some time, eh?
For sure.
How's your trading been?
Break even. Hanging. We'll see how it goes. Been working on some psychology.
Amazing. And you still trading SMC?
Oh yeah, sure.
Alright.
Good works for me.
Yep.
So yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Definitely. Are you working on any funded accounts right now?
Yes, got a 20k account I'm busy with break even.
Alright. FTMO?
No, MFF. And
MFF,
then
all
busy
right.
with a 50k account as well.
Let's go.
So yeah,
and
we'll see how it goes.
definitely. You're gonna kill it, man. Just stick to your plan and strategy. You're
That's what I'm
absolutely gonna kill it.
Trying to work on that refinement, but we'll see.
Yeah. Wiz, wow, unbelievable move in gold. Took that trade earlier, closed 80%. Wiz, beautiful, man, beautiful. And yeah, it's gonna move. Look, we were calling it out right from the bottom over here, so that's beautiful. Beautiful move on gold. We're just looking at GJ, seeing if it's gonna come to us once we close above 163,500. But yeah. Guys, I've also been given a 50k account from the funded trader to test out for you guys, and they want me to put a review video out for the funded trader. So the question is, do you all want me to trade the funded trader account live over here, or do you all want me to trade it and do all the necessary and then give you my review on it? The 47 of y'all, let me know.
What's the trading rules on that funded trader for the account?
The same thing.
What's that?
The same thing, Rowan. Same as MFF.
Okay, 5% daily.
Yeah,
That all. Okay.
the exact same. Except it's not like MFF 8% and 4%. It's 10 and 5%. The
10
profit
and
targets,
5.
yeah.
So it's like FTMO essentially.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, I've put a poll up in the YouTube chat. Let me know. Trade it live or just give us a review. What's up,
Gold's
Rista? Welcome back. Yes, Ruan, sorry.
No worries. Gold's just broken above the 1950.
Yeah, 1915 level, yeah. We called buys from 1896 break above 1896 500, so that was an absolute banger for us.
Sure, that's massive. But the price action was so messy there, though. Look at it.
Yeah.
On the 50 minutes, yeah. Touch and go. But I mean, was it 1886 was the buy? Interesting.
1896 500.
Oh, 96. Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
So,
okay, yeah, that makes
yes,
it's maybe a bit cleaner.
yeah. Because
Than
you
the
see
bottom.
the 45-minute time frame. Look at the break above the resistance into the clean traffic area. So that
Yeah,
was
they had that pullback and then break above.
yeah. All right, guys. Who's looking at GJ right now? We're finally gonna get that 1 hour closure. There's still 10 minutes left. Let's wait. Let's wait for it. Traded live. All right. You're looking.
I'm hoping for a small pullback. I don't want it to close without a top break here, though.
Sounds good. Yep. All right, guys. The funded trader you can see on my screen. 50k brand spanking new account. No trades taken. Yep. Standard challenge phase 1. Samuel Cunningham. That's me. Samuel Derek Cunningham. That's why Samuel. You know DC Trading and Company. So yeah. All right. So I'll trade that live over here for you all. We will do some fun stuff over here. I think okay, you know I have the funded next account also, so you guys tell me which account shall we keep just primarily gold on. What are the profit targets per week? Hattie, usually I try to hit 5% profit a week, so that's my profit target, 1% a day, right? But yeah, sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less, depending on the week. Alright guys, let's wait for it. McGeoso's waiting for this GJ 1 hour candle to close.
Yeah, hopefully, as I said, with a top wick.
Yeah, with a nice topic, that would be good.
Well,
yeah, this.
Are you looking for the 1 hour or the 45 to close here?
No, I'm waiting on the 1 hour. I'm waiting for the plain break of this resistance. Yeah, we needed to close above 500, guys. We needed to close above 500, a nice clean close. You could expect the next candle to drive down back into 500 and then continue breaking up. That would be a nice move. UJ, yep, I've been hearing quite a few people speaking about UJ. I feel UJ has already set up for a short. Like, if I wanted to take this trade on UJ, it would have been up over here already at this 1 hour break of this support, because this is pretty much like a fake out 1 hour as we'd call it, right? And this is the first breakout of this 550 level on UJ. So personally, I would have already wanted to be in UJ right from there. That's just my personal opinion, but yeah. Whoever's in UJ stops the break even and just have fun. But now we could get those 45-minute sells. Or maybe let's see, 30-minute. Yeah, it could be setting off for a sell. Let's see what happens. Oof, look at EJ with that massive wick pullback. Alright guys, come on, like the stream and subscribe. We're 11 subscribers, 10 subscribers away from 1k. Come on. We're just 10 subscribers away from 1k. Let's get it. I'm a shot if we pull back to 133.90. Euro JPY 133.90. 133.90. What is that? QJ. Okay. Alright, I see you. Fantastic. Wilson John, thank you for the sub, guy. Thank you. Let's go. 9 subs, 10 subs to 1k subscribers. Let's go. Gold beautifully closed on the 15-minute time frame and continue up. Why is my gold measuring tool not working? Anyone could have scalped this also. Remember, I told you guys that I'm waiting for the closure above this 1914 level, so that's a beautiful trade on gold. If anyone took that, that's a nice 30 pip bang on gold.
$19.14 on the 15-minute.
Yes, 1914 on the 15-minute time frame. You see a nice bullish engulfing candle. It created a nice bottom wick. You could have taken it at the break of the high. That would have been 11 pips. Stop loss 28 pips up. GJ 1R looking like it's about to close below the resistance. Once GJ closes below the resistance, we're probably just sitting and chilling. Mudassar Sindhu. I already secured 13 pips on gold. Beautiful. Let's go. For all those who took wins today, just take your money and run away from this market, honestly. You don't need to give it back. For us who haven't got a trade, we're gonna be here a while. But yeah, I'm not sure. Let's see. Gold is moving beautifully. We should move up comfortably to 1920 is what I would say.
I'm hoping GJ here will play out for us.
Yeah, even I'm really hoping. This 1 hour in 3 minutes. So in 3 minutes, it needs to come up and close above this level. Which it's... What do you think, MacG? Do you think it's coming in?
There's still a little time, but it's not looking promising. If it closes where it's at now in the next few minutes, then yeah.
Let's see if GJ has what it takes.
It's getting dangerously close to the support there.
If we look at the 15-minute on GJ, and you look at the multiple wicks on the left there, so what we can see is the current wick rejection might be a potential flip to the upside of that sort of hidden supply zone that's formed by that wick, that white wick. I mean, there is quite a lot of selling pressure in, but waiting for the candle close and the next candle to open could just be like a fake out to say, oh, we're shorting and then flipping for not a big thing. But yeah, selling pressure looks quite strong at the moment, but let's see when it closes. But it could easily flip it and just come and mitigate the orders of the previous sort of candles. So you can see the selling pressure, a bit of buying pressure coming in, pushing down again. But let's see.
So GJ, like we said, on the 1 hour time frame, if we're not able to close above that, it would be pointless. But what I'm also seeing, McG, is if you look at the 15-minute time frame, okay? We've always struggled to close above 500. You see, 163,500, always struggle to close above 163,500.
Yeah.
Right here. So if we do close above 500, we can continue easily, even on the 15-minute time frame.
Yeah, but that's not looking promising at the moment.
Yeah, right now it doesn't look like buys at all.
I think we're gonna have to wait for the 4 hour.
Yep.
But selling pressure is strong.
$50.
Yeah, a lot of people would take a sell at the end of this candle because of the big top wick and the bearish candle body.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I'd take a sell there, personally.
Yeah.
Oops. Alright.
Yeah.
Wicking up.
Like all we can say is, yeah, GJ, you did what you always do, so yeah. Gold, do you think, what do you think about a little gold banger?
Let's see.
Nah, I'm not risking anything for this week. I'm pretty much done for this week with trading.
Not much screaming at the moment.
Yeah. EJ is looking choppy for the time being, at least.
Yeah.
GJ,
No, it's
I'm gonna.
yeah.
Yeah, no, I think the play I'm looking for is GJ on the 4 hour close. At least wait and see how that plays out.
Yeah, for me right now there's no trade on GJ, EJ, anything. Let's see the close above this level.
If it breaks below that 163.046, and then we could start looking for potential sells, because then it validated that front at the top on the 15. But there's nothing much happening. Euro USD also came down, rejecting, but still in bullish momentum. So
GJ broke the previous 30-minute. We should start moving now.
GJ.
Yeah, GJ. Yeah, we just gotta wait for a breakout of this range. You can see previously also we came and ranged in this area. So let's just wait for a breakout of the range. No need to push and rush anything.
Yeah, not forcing anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially not end of the week and the end of the month.
Exactly. It's literally the last day of the month. We can all just vibe out and chill. Not having to force a trade.
These golds come down as well. 1950. It's gonna pop off quickly.
So, Megji, you see this gold trade right over here, okay? If this yellow candle closure was also a 1 hour candle closure, alright? And like a higher time frame closure basically. Right? Like a maybe like let's say a 2 hour candle closure. Then it would make me so much more confident to take this buy, you know? But since it is a 1 hour candle closure, you could expect the break of the high to continue. Thing is that's 25 pip stops.
The stops being
yeah.
The stops being the current candle low, or
yeah. You see the 45 minutes still isn't closed. If it closed on all time frames that way, then that would have been a beautiful one. Or maybe we could wait to see how this 45-minute candle closes and then anticipate from there. EJ coming down. Gold rejected 200 EMA. I think we might retrace. If not, we definitely will retrace from 1920. Salo. Yes, that's true. Nice shooting star on GU 15-minute time frame. Might not hold though. Yeah, I think everyone can just chill out today. It's a slow day.
yeah. It also looks like GJ 4 hours about to flip. Possibly.
Yep. It does look like it.
It's trying. Just not getting there.
But we are seeing the low volume today.
Yeah, I think everyone is thinking the same as we're thinking, that it's the end of the week, it's the end of the month.
Yeah.
And people are just taking it easy. They're happy with their profits, and a new week, new month next week.
Yeah. Do you trade your personal funds, Megji, or are you trading any challenge account?
I'm trading my personal funds. It's not a big account currently, as I'm still working out the kinks of my
That's
strategy.
no problem.
But,
yeah.
But yeah, no, it's personal.
Amazing.
Even if I was to trade a 100,000 or 400,000 account, I would probably need to get that funded. I have some funds, but I don't have that much.
That's no problem. That's why these prop firms are there.
Yeah. So I don't know. I'm thinking that once that I'm happy with my results, then I'll start considering the getting funded and see how that goes.
Sounds good.
Are there any pros or cons to the funded programs, or from your experience?
From my experience, see, if you're trading your own personal funds, actually what changes is your risk is, like, let's just say you're trading a 50k account, your own personal funds, your risk is 50k, right?
Yeah.
If you're trading a funded account, your daily loss limit is 5%, so that's somewhere around $2,500 is your risk per day. You get what I mean? So that is the difference. So it's as good as trading a very small account on the other hand over here. It's good. It's good if your max loss, what is it, 6,000. So a 50k account is as good as trading a $6,000 account.
But does FTMO, for example, does that cover the losses, or if you have a loss, do you personally need to cover that loss, or what's
no. So you do a evaluation, right? And then you make whatever money, and let's just say you pass those evaluations, right? You get a 50k account, and let's say you go to $45,000 and you blow the account, 10% loss, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so that's like that they take away the live account from you, and that's all you face. They trust you with that $5,000. They are willing to lose it.
Interesting. Cool.
Yeah, because they know that most of the people, if they are going to take their live money and lose it, they will probably lose in the challenges itself.
Yeah.
Yes, Vista, that's correct. Okay, look at Euro JPY. We may get a nice, neat little sell. Let's see. Once we close this Euro JPY thing, and we can possibly like wait for a little sell-off at the break of these candle body lows. I mean candle wick lows. Beautiful.
Don't push too far.
Yeah. It's already broken my level which I wanted to take, but yeah.
GJ sells.
GJ is moving.
Yeah, I mean.
GJ also moving?
Sells, yeah.
Where was your entry, Ruan?
Yeah.
This was 163.074.
All right.
No, it's just a 2 lot, so nothing major.
1%.
This is on this account. Yeah, let's see. I'll calculate this.
Wow, it's really moving now.
That's a little bit less than 1%. That is about 0.7. No, 0.65.
Yeah, EG and GJ all move in it right now.
Did there come any news?
No, I think it's just rejection from the upside, right?
Yeah, it's just that. So looking at that, when was it? The 15-minute that we looked at. So that pin bar that formed showed sort of stop on / rejection of that level, and Then from there, what I wanted to see is for price to target that low on GJ, and then that was sort of the confirmation for the entry.
Any gold buys, Sumita? Gold looks interesting. You know, once we start breaking this previous high, that would be very interesting.
Now it's back at 16.
Gold is a little iffy.
Yeah, I don't see anything on gold currently.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think my personal view is I'm focusing on GJ and EJ. I'm gonna keep away from gold today.
Yeah. No, and like, you know, so when we look at GJ and EJ, they didn't give us any trades. They just gave those who take these retest trades, right? They gave those who took the take the retest trades. So if that's part of your plan, then yeah, that would have been your trade. But for me, that's not part of my plan, so I'm sorry, that's not my trade. Tanveer Ahmad, what's good, my guy? Hello, what's up? And guys, there's 50 of us. Can we drop a like and subscribe? Let's move it on to 1,000 subs today. Are you watching gold? Yeah, we're watching gold right now. If it flips, that would be interesting. Pankaj Kumar, what's good, man? Hello. What is up? How's it going, Pankaj? What are you trading today? Just join any good trades I can take today. Forex, TV, stop loss, desert for dirt bike. Saltito, what's poppin'? 10 more subs for 1k. Let's go, Samita. No trades as of now, bro. GBP USD, it seems short. What is your opinion? Yeah, I think there's someone already in GBP USD. No. I don't see anything short about GBP USD. Other than it being at this resistance, eh?
You probably sell off right now like that.
Yeah, I don't see anything short on GBP USD. If we get a nice strong 5-minute closure below this level, maybe we can sell off, but otherwise, like higher time frames, there's nothing to sell on GBP USD. Other than the fact that it's at a resistance. Come on, you can see bullish, 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 all bullish candles. Let's check Euro USD. Massive rejection candle on Euro USD. Euro USD could sell off. Euro USD could definitely sell off. Alright guys, if anyone's new here and you want to join us, feel free to smash the like button, feel free to smash the subscribe button and join the family. We're 990 subs deep. We're 10 subs away.
Hey, Sam.
Yeah, tell me.
I'm curious on gold on the 1 hour. Would you, as per your strategy, would you be looking at if this bearish candle, if it comes down, to retest this support resistance?
Yeah, the 700 level, right?
Yeah.
19, 13.
Yeah. Would you consider a buy on a re-break of the high of the bounce there, or would you do something else, or would you just leave it?
Let's look left, right? So right now where we're at, yeah, so even if we break this now, we're still gonna run into this resistance right over here. So let's go to so now we wait for a 1 hour closure above 1918. You see why? Like, I'm always looking for that clean traffic, and I'm always looking for the break of highs and stuff like that.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Ooh. Hi bro, did you buy
talking a similar voice? Looks like Uncle Ted.
Uncle
No,
Ted.
I'm not nowhere near Uncle Ted's level of expertise.
But you got the voice, so you're almost there. So I would say a closure above 1918 on the 1 hour time frame would give me a confirmation. So you always gotta look, through the time frames, which one is the cleanest. So right now you see this 2 hour time frame. So it's a 4 hour resistance, 3 hour resistance, 2 hour resistance, which was respected on the 1 hour time frame. This is the lowest time frame we can go to for a clean trade on gold. So 1 hour would be my time frame, 1918. GJ and EJ breaking down, Padmavati, that is right. GJ and EJ are breaking down. And guys, we got special guests, Mick G, Uncle Ted.
That'd be me.
So Mick G, I'm guessing you're from the UK, right, Mick G?
No, I'm from Norway.
Norway, yeah, my bad. That's nice.
But I grew up outside of Norway.
That is nice. Norway definitely is on the list to visit.
Preferably during the summer. The winter is cold. Well, if you like the cold, then that's one thing.
No, I can't survive the cold, man, to be honest. I mean, I've grown up in India, so you can imagine what cold is. Cold is like 20 degrees for us. Ross effects. Sorry, Maggie, continue.
No, Ross is writing.
Yeah, he wants to come and meet you. He lives in Estonia.
Okay.
That's pretty close, eh?
It's a flight away. I think it's like an hour or two flight.
Yeah, that's nice. Ashish was good lad. If there's anyone new on the stream, say what's up in the chat so we can talk to you, learn more about you. And if anyone wants to join us on Discord, feel free to join us on Discord. If you want to hit me up on Instagram, feel free to hit me up on Instagram. Yes, we've been stuck at 10 more subs for 1k. Come on guys, can we move past that? Let's move. So guys, that's what you learned here today. Uncle Ted is from Norway. How are you? Yeah.
It'll be funny if Uncle Ted did show up now.
How are challenges going on? If you wish, please share stats. Definitely. So right now, when we look at it, this was GJ on. This is the fund challenge on Funded Next. Here you go. We've taken a few trades. The thing is, you know, it splits them all up, right? It splits them all up because of me taking partials. So yeah. So we've taken quite a few wins and we took 3 losses. So we took about 4 wins and 3 losses. So we're pretty much at break even right now. And I didn't pursue any trades because I really didn't see the trade setup. So you guys can see right over here, we're sitting at 50,067. We're 3 days into the challenge. So yeah. 3 days, yeah. My first trade was on 26th and my second trade was on 27th, and today we're on 29th. So yeah, so we're 3 days into the challenge.
A Euro AUD got inverted head and shoulders on 15.
Inverted head and shoulders? Did I hear that?
Yep, on the 15.
Interesting. 1 second.
And it's very bullish.
I see what you mean.
Put some buy stops on them highs. Take some new structure.
I think Euro AUD once we close above this level over here. So pretty much somewhere around 750, closing above 750. But the thing is, we don't really have clean traffic on EA, to be honest. But yeah. What's with the banger squad, man? Yo, Padmavati, we're killing the banger squad, honestly. You can see banger squad trade ideas called all the time. Just absolute fire. Yesterday we called around 200 pips on GJ and EJ buys. You can see we call it right from the bottom with the banger squad. I called it for them, and 115 pips on gold sells. This morning I called GJ, EJ, and we also called gold. Right from here you can see the 15-minute closure. So 45-minute closure, there you go, right above here, continuation. So yeah, banger squad is absolutely banging right now.
Ross effects. Norway or nowhere. It is almost nowhere, that's for sure. It's expensive though. It's expensive living here.
Really now. And you live in with your whole family, Ross, over there. Sorry, Megji over there.
Yeah. Wife, kids. My parents, they live half an hour away. So.
Amazing. So I'm guessing you're Norway local.
Yeah.
Amazing. So GJ Fora is showing us a lot of selling pressure, to be honest, no doubt. We're just gonna see how it's gonna close. Delta UK, morning all. Hope you all have a bagging day. Definitely, Delta UK. What about you? How long do you think it will take for a person to complete the challenge? You know what, Padmati? That's the crazy thing. Is it a membership group? Yeah, Bangor Squad is a membership group. It's a monthly membership group. So, how long do you think it'll take? So Padmati, that's the crazy thing, okay? So I took a trade on GJ Sell and I made 1% and I closed. Yeah, Ross, if you pay for it, you can see the Bangor Squad. Only paid members see Bangor Squad. So yeah, okay, so yeah, so I took a trade on GJ Sell on the Funded Next account, which went up 1%. I put stocks to break even and everything, and so yeah, on the website Queen Dalen. If I had to hold that entire position, it ran 200 pips. I could have finished the entire challenge in one trade. Harry, no goal buys on the one-off flip. No, Harry, we're just chilling today, to be honest. We don't want to give our money back to the markets. That's the main thing. So even if we're taking this trade, we'd wait for a 1 hour closure above this level. We need to see the 1 hour close nice and confident above this level, right? 1918 is a strong level on gold, so that's why. So yeah, so you could have finished. I could have finished that entire challenge in one trade. I could have finished phase 1 in one day. If you get 1k subs, are there any free membership giveaways? Ross effects. I wish, man. I wish. But yeah, let's see. So that's what, Padmati, it's all up to you how you're able to visualize and stuff like that. For me, I'm more than happy taking 1% 10 times rather than holding one trade for 10 hours, you know. So I'm happy taking 1% per trade. What are you comfortable with would be the question, you know.
EJ with a huge rejection.
EJ is just in that range, to be honest. What do you
GJ
think?
is rejecting also.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we're gonna be ranging maybe until New York.
Yep. I think we literally just have to chill, to be honest.
Yeah.
Thought you was a scalper, bro. Why ain't you getting that liquidity pool?
So guys, whoever wants to join the Bangor Squad, feel free to go to our website dcfx.co.in. Yes, Padmavati, we have 50k challenge funded with my Forex funds. Right over here, this is when I passed the challenge. How was your challenge journey? It was a very big journey. Did you feel stressed out while doing them? Yes, very stressed, Padmavati, but honestly, you learn to deal with that stress, okay? So I'm gonna just show, like, you can just look at it, okay? Right over here, just come to my Discord server. My entire 50k success, right? You can look at how I got funded with my 50k account finally. See? You see, it was a lot of stress, a lot of days, a lot of time. All right, so that's why, you know, it was a lot of stress, and we passed it in 23 days to make 2,500. And before that, phase 1 I passed it so easily, and phase 2 I struggled. That was the funny part about it, you know. Phase 1 I passed it in, let's see, 14th, 9 to 14th, in 5 days basically. Oh sorry, my bad. 2nd to 14th in 12 days basically, and in between that would be Saturday, Sunday, so that's 10 days. I passed my phase 1 in 10 days, and I took 23 days to pass phase 2, which was half the profit target, which is funny, right? But yeah, that was my journey with getting funded, honestly. Lots of stress, high stress, but then things became easier, honestly. When you just focus and follow a plan, things become a lot easier.
Hey, if I joined a banger squad and I get into $100,000 challenge, you help me pass it.
You know, that's the crazy thing, Elipai, pal. Like, a lot of people have been asking me the same thing. I joined Banger Squad. Will you help me pass the challenges, you know? And that's where I showed the example. I have a guy named Watson, okay? Watson, I hope you don't mind me sharing. But Watson, he's been with me for a bit now on the Banger Squad, and I do a lot of one-on-one sessions with him, alright? And every time I show Watson how I take a trade and where I take a trade, and you know, the trade ideas, my trade calls, you know, and stuff like that, he improvises and he does it so well, you know. So it's all about how much knowledge can you take, you know. So right over here you can see all the trades called, and he tells you, you know, I did the gold trade in the morning. I got 50% position running still, left at break even. He took the EJ trade, 20 pips up, you know. So it's all about how you can apply it. See right over here, 32 pips up. And that's it, you know. And when I talk to him, see, he's like, he tells us about how it's changed, you know. And so growth and success depends on you. How much grind and how much time are you willing to spend and invest into your future? And so I can spend time doing one-on-ones with you all, back testing with you all, and stuff like that.
That's all I need. I mean,
yeah,
knowledge and stuff. I've been in this charge 14 months and I ain't left, bro.
That's amazing. See, Elipai,
full-time.
Yeah, if you don't leave this, you will find success. Trust me. Like, if you just keep grinding, you're gonna find success. Believe it or not, at the end of the tunnel. If you want it, you can see how dark the tunnel got in the 50k challenge. Alright, you can see right over here. Look at this, okay? When I passed my 50k challenge, it went to 44, almost 44,000. I almost got stopped out. Can you see this? And then look at it. It just goes vertical. So that's how it should be, you know. That's how it should be. I think this was 3k or 4k in a day. Yeah, 3k in a day. And then we just continued moving up. And then this was about $2,000 in this one GJ trade, right? So if you just focus up on what you need to take and what you need to do, you'll see massive things. 10 pips on a GJ 10 lot trade. So y'all can see the progress, alright? If y'all want to progress like that, y'all cannot give up on this. So you saw, McG, what I was looking for previously was the 45-minute closure, right? The 45-minute close gave us 10 pips, came back, closed down here. So now we're moving over to the 1 hour time frame, because the 1 hour time frame hasn't closed above 470 before.
Mm-hmm.
So now we're gonna keep it there at the 1 hour time frame.
That's on the euro?
Yeah, Euro JPY. Guys who are new here, please smash the like button, please smash the subscribe button. Yeah, Ross Effects, that's very true. For majority of people, it's much more difficult to pass challenge phase 2, even though it seems to be easier percentage based. You know why, Ross? Because after passing phase 1, you feel like you've passed the bigger task, so you take it easier on phase 2. A lot of time, like mentally, you take it easier.
That inverted head and shoulders neck just got broke.
Sorry?
I said that inverted head and shoulders, the neck just got broke.
Euro 80. Oh, Euro 80 is pushing up. So you're in this, right?
Yeah, I'm 2 pips in profit.
Beautiful. Manage your risk and all should be good.
I know I went all in. Nah, I only went $2. You scared me when you said too much traffic for it. You should wait for a retest. Proper confirmation to be a retest of it. And a rejection to enter it.
Yep. Oh, it's pushing. It's about to flip the daily now.
Oh yeah, it's all bullish on the day. Starting lower lows or lower highs.
Euro news in 21 minutes.
They're expecting decent numbers, it looks like. So we'll see.
Yep.
Beautiful. Watching this candle, bro, makes me want to go to that website that dude posted. All right. I'm 1k down on my phase 2 challenge. No problem, Adam, no problem. How much is 1k down exactly? What size are you doing? Yeah, Rosafex, that's right. Don't force it. Take some days off. Honestly, I could just let Ross be a moderator over here because he answers most of the questions really well. Guys, if you all are new here, feel free to smash that subscribe button and that like button. Yep, we're waiting for 1 hour closure, which it may just leave us and continue, but yeah. It's so choppy, like I don't want to get into this range, to be honest. And plus, this is Euro news coming in, lads, so careful. Euro news coming in, be very careful. What's coming in?
There's the Euro news coming right now. Oh, by now, Elipal, you've taken some
92,
partials,
329,
right?
92. Hold on. 92, 329. I'm locking everything at entry.
Okay, so have you taken partials or not?
Taking what?
Partial profits.
No, I'm trying to finish this demo today.
Oh, you're in a challenge right now.
Yeah, I just started today and I'm 300 in profit right now.
On a 10K challenge?
On a 10K, and I
Oh.
got 2 trades open.
Beautiful.
I got 2 trades open and everything's at entry.
Oh, beautiful. That's definitely beautiful. Euro AUD with the news. If the news is positive, you'll pass the challenge instantly in a few seconds. But be careful if it's not positive. It could be dangerous. 50K, but it's all good. Taking time off, like Ross said. Beautiful, Adam. 50K, that's beautiful. I have 2 50K challenges going on right now. I haven't taken the one on the funded trader. I haven't taken a trade yet on the account. I just got it last night. So yeah. Come on guys, we're 10 subs away. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe. Let's move. Oof. It's moving. 20 pips.
Did you enter that trade?
No.
I done closed out because I thought I was going to reject right there.
I won't be entering. I don't think I'll be entering any trades today.
30 cents profit, bro. I think that's best I did all year.
On GJ, if it pushes up a bit.
Yeah, same. Even I was looking at GJ now. The 1 hour time frame looks pretty good if we go and close above that level now.
Must be money on the table. Everybody quiet.
Today is boring.
I also have to sit and work from time to time.
I'm just sitting and replying to emails. I got a brokerage who wants to promote themselves on our stream. So let's see. Let's check our trusty indices. Nasdaq, what are we doing? Last day of the month. Yo, what's up?
Yeah, what's up, bro? I just saw your stream. I saw 990 subscribers, right? Very close to 1000.
Road to 1000, mate. Road to 1000.
I have 10 different Google accounts. Should I sub you from each and every account, or should we just have organic stuff?
Let's just do organic, man. Honestly, we're not even doing it for the subs. We're all just chilling and looking for some good trades. How are you doing, man? How's your trading going?
Good. You're talking about Nasdaq. I caught yesterday's move on Nasdaq. Yesterday's price on Nasdaq.
Beautiful. Yeah, you catch all Nasdaq trades, right?
Yeah. I only trade Nasdaq, right?
Yeah. So, okay, can you break down Nasdaq for me and just tell me how you entered and stuff like that, and like how you judge your stops and stuff like that?
So my strategy is just supply and demand.
All right.
Not exactly SMC, but the supply and demand, right? So let me just.
If you want to share your screen, feel free to share your screen.
The thing is, I'm actually on my phone, so I just say it verbally, right?
All right.
So if you go to the 15 minutes, right?
Yeah, I'm on the 15.
Yeah. The high, you see the high made on 25th of April.
Sorry?
There is a huge sell-off on 15 minutes. On 26th of you see, right?
Yeah, on 26th, yep.
Yeah, a huge sell-off, right? That means market needs to recover to short cover that sell, right?
Yeah.
And we are just looking to buy that, right? We are just looking to trade. And so what I anticipated was market was going to trade off that level. So
Okay.
what I did, I saw then we sell off in 10,000, right?
Yeah. Hello? Do we lose him?
Hello?
Yep, you're back.
Am I audible?
Yeah, now you're audible.
Yeah, my headphones were disconnected, sorry.
Yes.
Yeah, so what I was telling, Nasdaq traded to 12,800, as you can see.
Yeah.
And once it started breaking 15-minute structure, you can see it started to break 15-minute structure on 20th or 28th of April, right? And then it was indication that price is now going to turn bullish to further continue up, right?
Yeah.
And then, so the thing with Nasdaq is the contract is traded on CME exchange, which is right around New York session. So what I do is I only wait for New York sessions, and when it came down, then I just started to buy. Right, once the structure was broken, right, the last sell off on 27th, right?
On 27th, yep.
Structure on 27th, right?
Yeah.
And after one pullback on that minor structure, I just started to buy.
All right. Oh man. 1 second, dude. I have a friend who just got into the chat. Guys, can we say hi to webcams chat XYZ, please? This stream is sponsored by webcams XYZ. This guy is relentless, yo.
Are you sure it's a guy? It's not a bot, maybe?
I'm pretty sure it's a bot. But yeah, whoever created this bot, like, GG's to him, W in the chat for him. His bot is everywhere, literally everywhere. I really like this guy. His determination is relentless. Yeah. Webcams, I'm gonna ban you until you subscribe. There you go. He banned until he subscribes. Sometimes I feel bad for him. Anyway, so sorry, man. Sujay, continue.
Yeah, I don't think you
that,
banned
that
him,
was
bro.
that pretty much was it, right?
Okay, so where was your entry yesterday on the... Yesterday was 28th, right? So where was your entry at?
At 28th, right? In the London session, market just traded above 13,000. You could, as you can see.
Yeah.
Right. And it was sort of very slow move to the upside.
Yeah.
The Asian range was also not broken, right? So what I expected was market would just take the Asian lows and the London lows in the New York session, which it did took. I
Okay,
saw the strong level.
so the question is, where would you enter? Like, are you seeing my stream?
Not right now. Though. Wait.
Alright. Because, like, you know, many times I ask in index traders, you know, like, so where would we actually enter? Right?
I turned on yesterday, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
Just
so,
switch to Nasdaq.
sorry, 1 second. Let's go to Nasdaq. Yeah, right over here, 28th, right? Okay, 1 second. How many seconds? Okay, 5 minutes there in GJ, so we can wait for it. 4-hour candle on EJ also coming up. Very interesting. Alright, tell me, Sujay, where would you enter?
Just go to 15 minutes. I'm not there. So you are at 15 minutes, right?
Yep.
And you can see, you can integrate one indicator which is called sessions, right? It would just tell you which sessions are in, right?
Yeah.
So on 28th, where you drew your support, right?
Yeah.
That was right, the Tokyo session and the London session, right? The big move was London.
London.
And the small move was obviously what do you say, Tokyo session, right? The small move was obviously.
Alright, so let me just mark it up here for you. This is London session. Okay, all the way here.
That's the London session. Yeah.
Yeah, and then from about here to here is the New York session, and then is the NYSE open and stuff like that. So yeah.
Yeah. So what I was anticipating from the higher time frame, we were just trading the pullback of the heavy sell-off that happened on 26th, right? So our idea is just to look for buys, right? But where was the buys? So we were looking. So what market was going to do? They were just going to stop all the London traders and the Asian traders, right?
Mm-hmm.
Whosoever bought the breakout, the market was just trying to stop them, right?
Yeah.
Just below the Asian session or the Asian lows, you could see there is a strong level of support forming, right?
Yeah.
As you can see, maybe a scanner.
What is here?
Yes, just below the Asian session, right?
Right here.
Just when, no. Just below that.
Even below this?
Yeah, that's the Asian low, right? That's obviously.
That's the Asian low.
You want to take, right? Market is obviously going to take the. That's the Asian low, right?
Yeah.
And just below this, you should look for buys.
All right.
That's the thing, right?
Yeah, fair enough.
And that's the place where I sort of bought, right? Either you can wait for a breakout just to stop the traders, or you can enter at the 15-minute confirmation candle. What do you see? That you can wait for the hammer pattern.
All right. Yeah,
but
that's.
the move, very pretty moves on Nasdaq, even on US30 and SPX.
All right. That is interesting. I'm gonna look into it. NAS 100 US30. Last week I called quite a few trades on Nasdaq actually. That was following plain market structure, right? So it was basically this break and continuation is what we called out on stream over here for the Nasdaq to continue down, because it definitely looked like once we broke out of this consolidation that we've had enough of it and continuation, you know, just a redistribution and continuation. And then the next one was over here, break of these lows. And so yeah, so it follows price action very well, to be honest.
Yeah, all the indices actually follow price action even better than Forex, I guess.
That I'll have to check up on and get back to you.
Yeah, I mean, it's very subjective, right?
Yeah.
For me, it might work. For you, it might not work. But seriously, on your stream, I actually met Iron Man, right? And we actually chat a lot about trades and stuff.
Yeah.
And I was the guy who was making the old jokes on Iron Man, right?
Yeah.
You remember. So he actually trades.
Yeah, and the crazy thing about it is, guys, Sujay is a 400k funded trader with FTMO who trades only NAS 100. So yeah, that's fantastic. Keep slaying, man.
Yes, man.
That's how we do it out here. And yeah, let's go. I haven't actually seen, there was another trader who used to join us all the time. His name was Nebraska NFX. And he just got funded 200k, and he used to trade NAS and US30 and everything alone. So it's like I'm actually looking at you guys like, this is interesting. You guys are interesting.
Because if you see at the daily time frame, right, they are only trending upwards. Right?
Yeah.
It's not like Forex, right? If you switch to daily time frame on any Forex pair, it would just range on the daily time frame, but NAS 100 or US30 is just going up.
Yep.
So in the long run, that means you could catch big moves, right?
Yeah. So I think NAS. Yeah, you saying?
I used to trade Forex and gold, right?
But
I eventually
fantastic.
switched back to NAS and US30.
For me, I think, you know, all stock markets will, of course, go back to its previous high. So I'm a big believer in buying up stock markets, though. Yeah. I'm a huge believer in buying stock markets, because stock indexes, because I believe that no country wants its stock market to die, right? Is there any country who wants to be in the negative? No one wants that. Anyway, guys, 2 more likes to 50 likes. Come on, let's move the likes. I don't think we're able to move subscribers. We're 990 subs, no problem. We can hit 1k next week. Our target for next week will be 2 subscribers a day. And we're just gonna take it easy, but have an awesome week.
I'll tell you something.
Yeah.
I'll share my challenge, your channel to my friends. Sorry.
Thank you, mate, Sujay. That'll be awesome, guys. Yeah, do share the channel to other people. Let's help the community out. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today is an awesome Friday. Go have fun. Yeah, go have fun. Spend your profits. If you've made losses, sit and look over your losses. Why you lost? Grind it out. Come on, guys. Work harder. Work 3 times harder than you ever did. This is a dream that most can achieve if you work hard enough. So I think you guys have an amazing week. I had an awesome week with you, lads. Of course, we didn't catch too many trades this week, but we look forward to smashing next week out. This week London was a lot slower, so next week let's hope for a reset for London and we shall catch some trades. But until then, like and subscribe. Don't overrisk, don't overtrade. Have an awesome weekend, lads. Take care and see ya. See you, McG. See you, Ellie Pie. Christy, Sujay. See you guys. Take it easy. Bye.
Bye.
See you, Christy. Take care. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm.